Thank you for joining us for Streivor's Kitchen Controls training video. This video will provide kitchen staff training for Streivor's DemandAire bronze and silver control systems. To begin, locate Streivor's HMI touchscreen in your kitchen. The hood lights can be operated by toggling the light button on or off. Streivor's DemandAire bronze and silver systems provide automatic control of the hood fans. If the temperature probe detects a temperature change in the hood, the system will start, stop, or make fan speed adjustments accordingly. The hood fans can be operated manually by toggling the fan button on or off. If the fans are running while the fan button is toggled off, that means the system is operating under automatic control, indicated by a thermometer icon on the top right corner of the HMI touchscreen. On a DemandAire silver system, the override button will run the hood fans at full speed for a set duration to handle heavy cooking. It can be used whenever necessary. If you're needing to press the override button during normal cooking operation, then there may be an issue with your exhaust fans, speed settings, or the resistance temperature detector settings. For more information, review the troubleshooting section in our DemandAire silver video, and contact your facilities manager or maintenance personnel. If there's an emergency and you need the fans to stop, press the emergency stop button. Press Activate on the pop-up screen to stop the fans. Press Deactivate to resume normal operation. If the emergency stop button is pressed unintentionally, press the X button on the top right corner of the emergency stop pop-up screen to disregard. If an alert appears on the HMI home screen, follow the on-screen instructions to troubleshoot the alert. Once the alert has been resolved, you may resume normal operation. If your kitchen has an electric gas valve, the status will appear on the top left corner of the screen, indicating it has power. In the event of a fire suppression system actuation or any power interruption to the control panel, a pop-up screen will appear on the home screen. Press the arrow button to proceed, following the on-screen instructions until arriving at the electric gas valve reset screen. Press the red reset button to reset power to the electric gas shutoff valve. After power has been reset, a confirmation screen will appear. Press the arrow to return to the home screen. Contact a qualified person to inspect all gas connections and pilot lights after resetting the electric gas valve. For any questions or concerns, press the right arrow button to access our contact information. For us to better assist you, please have your system information ready by pressing the right arrow button again. At Streivor Air Systems, we consider customer service and quality assurance a top priority. For any additional support, please email our team at info@streivor.com, and thank you for helping Streivor strive for excellence.